Linear search. The linear search is a simple search algorithm that begins at the start of an array and traverses to the end, searching for a given item. This search can work with unsorted data, but it will be slower than the binary search, which works only with sorted data. Let's look at a couple of examples. This version of a linear search will return the index of the first item in the array vector found that matches the findMe parameter. Let's step through it. We will call the function to search for elk. So the parameters are the array and elk is the search term. We begin our for loop and start at index 0, going until index 4. When I equals 0, array sub I is cat. Is cat equal to elk? False, so we continue our loop. For I equals 1, array sub I is koi. Is koi equal to elk? False, continue the loop. For I equals 2, array sub I is elk. Is elk equal to elk? True, so we return the index where we found it, index 2. If there were no matches in the array, then we would go through all indices with the for loop. If nothing is returned, then nothing was found, so we return a -1 or a not found value. In this case, the -1 for size t, which is an unsigned integer, is supposed to give us the maximum possible size t value, which is unlikely to be a valid index of an array. Let's do another linear search, but this time we'll do a partial string search and return all indices that have a match. We're again going to iterate from the start of the array to the end. For each item, we use the string library's find function to search for substrings, not exact matches. If an array element contains the search term, then we add it to the vector of matching indices. So when I is 0, array sub I is cat. Does cat contain at? True, add to the vector of matching indices. When I equals 1, array sub I is koi. Does koi contain at? False, don't do anything in this case. For I equals 2, array sub I is elk. Does elk contain at? False. For I equals 3, array sub I is bat. Does bat contain at? True, add it to the vector. For I equals 4, array sub I is rat. Does rat contain at? True, add it to the vector. So this function will return a vector of indices that match. In this case, 0, 3, and 4.